Greeny.
Snowy.
Let's make Christmas cards together.
Christmas cards are coming to Snowland. Christmas cards are coming to Snowland. Christmas cards are coming to Snowland. Christmas cards are coming to Snowland.
Are you ready to make the best Christmas card ever, Greeny?
Yay! I brought so many things. Look, I've got yellow, green, purple, blue, and red paper. And I've got colored pencils and a pencil. What did you bring?
I've got the same things as you. But I also brought a ruler, an eraser, a sharpener, glue, and scissors. We can share all of it.
Wow, you're so nice, Snowy. How about we make one big card together first?
Yes, let's do it. This card is gonna be so cool. So, what shape should our card be?
I can't remember the name, but it has 3 sides. It's like a V wearing a little hat.
That sounds cool, but I can't quite picture it. What does it look like?
Let me show you. See, I draw a V, and then I put a line on top. Like this.
Oh, now I see. It's a triangle. 3 sides. I love how you think, Greeny. Let's find more letters that can make triangles.
Yeah. How about N?
N? How does N make a triangle?
Easy. If I put a line on the top. Triangle. And if I add a line to the bottom. Another triangle. N can make 2 triangles.
Whoa, that's awesome. What about a letter that can make 3 triangles?
Oh, I know. M. Look, 1 triangle here. One up here. And another one down here.
You're right. And guess what? If we flip M upside down, it turns into W, and W also makes 3 triangles.
Ooh. What about a letter that can make 4 triangles?
That's tricky.
I've got it. It's near the end of the alphabet. Can you guess?
Oh, that's X. 1 triangle up. 1 down. 1 left. And 1 right.
Exactly. Here's a tricky one. There's a letter that already has a triangle in it. No lines needed. Can you guess?
I don't know. Can you tell me?
It's A. Look, there's a little triangle right inside.
Whoa, you're right. That's so cool, Greeny. I love finding triangles in letters. Let's do more later. Now, back to our card. Let's take turns making it. Greeny, you go first. Pick a color.
Sure. I'll go with blue. I love blue.
Great choice. Now, it's my turn to draw the triangle. I love your idea of making a V, and I want to make a super big triangle, so here's what I'll do. First, I'll make a tiny dot right here in the middle at the bottom. See it? Now, Look at these two corners way up here on top. I'm gonna use the ruler and draw 2 lines from the dot to those corners. Watch this. Look! A triangle.
Awesome! Now it's my turn. Time to cut it out with the scissors. Done!
Hey, look at this. If we flip the V upside down, it looks like a Christmas tree. Should we make one?
You're right. How about we decorate one side of the card to look like a Christmas tree, and we'll use the other side for a holiday message.
Nice! Alright, I'm gonna make our triangle look like a real Christmas tree. Watch this. 3 lines. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, pretty. Now it's my turn. I'll grab a pink pencil and draw some baubles on the top layer. Tiny, cute ones.
Ooh, fancy. Now I'm going with green for the second layer. Maybe I'll make the bubbles a little bigger this time. Watch them grow, grow, grow.
Love it. Now for my turn. I'm using red and adding a bunch of smaller baubles in the next layer. Baubles everywhere.
Whoa! That's so colorful. Alright, time to finish off the last layer. I'm using yellow again and drawing a shiny bell. And color it in.
Wow! Our tree is so beautiful. Look at all the colors and the shiny bell. It's perfect.
Yeah, I really love how it turned out. Now, let's flip the paper over so we can write our special wish.
What should we write?
How about Merry Christmas and lots of fun? That sounds good, right?
Yes! I love it. I'll write it with big, happy letters.
And I'll draw some snowflakes around it. There, snowflakes everywhere.
This card is awesome. I can't wait to give it to someone.
Me too. Let's make more cards. And you know what? Tomorrow, we'll write Christmas and New Year wishes.
Hey everyone! I hope you had as much fun making the Christmas card as we did. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the joy and learning we'll share together this Christmas. Let's make this Christmas season magical together.